Hi, so in this video I'm going to show you how I use these simple pages posts, so basically page posts, to bring in all the way from 5,000 and all the way up to $15,000 per month, every single month, promoting affiliate products using only simple pages. Now let me give you some examples. As you can see over here, this is one of the pages. Right now I marked with black color some of the headlines and everything, the domain name, because I want to keep it private, because it would not be necessary to share everything for free, because other students are using the similar pages, which are basically done in a specific way. Now this is just part of the page, right? This is just one page, and it's made in a way so that you get pre-sold. This is the name of the advertising, pre-selling, right? And if you know how to position your page or blog post correctly, then you can pre-sell to the cold audiences, right? People who never heard of you, people who never heard of the supplement that you're promoting, right? In this case, for high blood pressure product, right? Supplement, physical product. Then in this case, yes, the audience who is struggling with high blood pressure, right? So if you correctly set up step by step your landing page, your pre-sale page, right? That it doesn't seem scammy affiliate page, but real value delivering page, then you can make lots of sales on the front end and also collect some emails on the back end. So this is what I love about this system, that you can basically set up those pages and start bringing in $5,000 to $15,000 per month promoting these affiliate offers without having to own any product at all. You can see what is the plan. The plan is over here, as you can see, to have a product. Now you don't have to own the product, you can be an affiliate on ClickBank. You need to have Parade with Pain. So what is Parade? Parade is basically audience, right? And where we are getting audience, you can get it from the email list, or you can run ads. You can run Facebook ads, YouTube ads, or in this case, for example, Google ads, right? So you have different processes, right? You have simpler process where we send up test campaign. It's called test campaign, T1. Why? Because we are testing our market, right? And we get responses by getting sales on ClickBank or any other platform back in, right? So it's a 4-step process, which is basically first having the product, traffic, right, with Pain. So this is Parade, test campaign, and then profiting. And I like to bring out my sword, right? My sword over here. Why do I like to bring it out? It's because sword can be used in a good way, right? Sword represent traffic source, right? You see over here, this is sword, right? And this can be used as a traffic. So basically, if you have the right audience with a good offer, you can slay your market and start having really great results promoting these affiliate offers, right? So you need to have the right traffic source, good quality offer with some upsells, and then you can make great profit with only 1 to 2 pages, right, per month, making this kind of profits. So how to get consistent daily leads and sales with small budget ads. You see, I'm showing the people, after watching this video, you can reach out to me. I'm showing you how to use $5 ads on Google, so you can set up set and forget to bring in daily leads. So basically set and forget ads for $5 per day to start bringing in leads and then potentially also sales with this offer, right? So you will need to check them in once per week once it's set up. So this can also save you thousands of dollars per month, $4,000 to $5,000 per month, without having to hire an expensive ad agency, while you can simultaneously, in the same time, scale up your affiliate marketing business, right? I hope this is your long-term strategy to start generating results, to have your first $500 days or $200 days, so you can promote different offers with these simple but, let's say, secretly strategic pages that you can start bringing results in. Let me go back to the slide before. You see, most of these pages are set up totally different than what you're buying from the different ClickBank gurus, right, online selling your courses. They're positioned differently, they're built on different domains, right, totally different, not scammy affiliate pages, click now, watch this video, and nothing happens, right? You waste money and time. So those pages are positioned totally differently. So if you're watching this video and if you want to get results, right, then please click the links below this video, reach out to me one-on-one personally on my Facebook, email, WhatsApp, or Instagram, right? All of them, you can reach out to me. If you're serious, if you have a little bit of money to invest and some time on the side, then we can get you up and running to scale up your affiliate business. Again, thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and smash the like button below so we can share this with more people to get more results. Again, thank you for watching this video.